Hi guys, welcome back to Vondessa J. Don't want to say that. Hi guys, so I am going to try a 2 ingredients cake. I'm going to do it in the baking pan, but what I discovered, guys, I don't have self-rising. I have Swan's Down cake flour. I have everything that I can add into it, the salt and the baking powder, but what I'm going to do, just to make it easier for myself and to make it where it is only 2 ingredients, we're going to run out to the store to get some self-rising flour, and I'm going to show you what the other item is. So let's go ahead and run to the store. Okay guys, so I am back. So this is what I needed, was the self-rising flour. So guys, let me explain to this quickly. The difference between the Swan Down and the self-rising. In the self-rising, you have everything that you need. Versus in this, you need to add your baking powder and also salt. So I want to make this a 2 item recipe. So that is what I'm going to do. So what I also decided, guys, when I was in the store, I picked up some coffee ice cream by Edie's. So I love coffee ice cream, but also, guys, I still have some eggnog ice cream. So the only thing you need for this recipe, guys, will be self-rising flour and ice cream. So if you want to see me do this, you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing we want to do is go ahead and preheat our oven. So I'm going to preheat my oven at 350. So I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven first. So the second thing, guys, let me go ahead and get me a handy dandy spoon, and also have my all-Clyde bowl. So let's go ahead and start mixing these ingredients. So the only thing that you need in this is your ice cream and self-rising flour. In the mix, guys, you do need a 1 cup measuring cup. So I have my 1 cup measuring cup. So it says 1 cup. So now what you want to do, okay guys, so I'm going to come in and tell you exactly what you need. You need some bun pans. You can do the circular, however, but I choose to do the bun pans, and I have 2. Also, yes, self-rising flour. Your measuring cup, which is 1 cup. If you choose to use a mixer, that's fine, but I'm going to use a handy dandy spoon. You're going to need your ice cream, and you're going to need a bowl. And it's one other thing, guys, I did not pull it out. And that is my pan cooking spray. That's just to base coat my pan. So let's go ahead and get this recipe together. So first we're going to need a bowl and also our ice cream. So let's go ahead and open up our ice cream. And we want about a pint. So this is a half a gallon. So we want about a pint out of here. So, and you can have it to sit there for a little bit and melt a little bit. That would be perfect. And yes, guys, I do have an ice cream scoop. So I'm just scooping it with this spoon. That's where I'm not dirtying up also a lot of dishes. So let's get a little bit more out of here. So we want definitely a pint. And if you want to just get the pint ice cream, that's fine, because you know exactly you're at a pint. But I am very southern, and we eyeball things, okay? So we eyeball things. So that is about a pint right there. So let me go ahead and cover this up. And now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes so it can unthaw some, and then we're gonna go ahead and add our flour in. Okay guys, so I gave the ice cream enough of time to melt, so now we're gonna go ahead on to our next adventure, and that is adding in 3 cups of self-rising flour. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So now you just go ahead and just stir it up. Okay, now so guys, this is what the batter looks like. So now we're gonna go ahead and spray our pan, and I'm gonna do it with some Pam. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And now the next thing we're gonna do is just go ahead and put our batter in the pan. So you kind of like see the bready consistency. I'm so ready to see how this is going to come out. Okay guys, so I'm ready to go ahead and pull it out of the oven to see what it's going to look like. So, oh my God, it looks so yummy. So this is what it looks like. So let me go ahead and put it here. And I want to go ahead and just put some butter on top of it. So I just microwave a little bit of butter. So let's just go ahead and pour this on. It looks so good. So guys, it is time for the biggie. Let's go ahead and take it out and see what it looked like. But in the meantime guys, I did do the eggnog one. So let's go ahead and take this out of the pan. So guys, this is what it looks like. So this one is the coffee and this one is the eggnog. So you already know what time it is, right? So let's go ahead and cut this, guys. It looks so yummy. Let me go ahead and take a picture of it first. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and I don't know which one I want to taste first. I don't know if I want the eggnog first. Let me just cut the eggnog one first. With these 2 ingredients, y'all. I don't know. So let me show you what it looks like on the inside. So it looks so good. Let's taste it. It's pretty, oh my God, it is so good. All of a sudden it just hit me. Guys, this is so good. This is really, really good. Instead of eating the one eggnog, Let me go ahead and show you guys the coffee. It's still hot, it's that, so it smells so good. This is definitely a good winter's bread. Now, for mine, I think I like the eggnog best. Maybe because I'm an eggnog fanatic, but it's good. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it. This is a 2 ingredients. I want to call it a bread, guys, because it's coming out to me more like a bread than a cake. But it's absolutely delicious. So with the eggnog, guys, I did it the same way that I did the coffee. Only thing with the coffee, of course, it is darker. Eggnog is definitely lighter. So guys, this is your 2 ingredients cake, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. 'Cause we find a soulmate in each other.